Bababaka abava mu kitundu ky'e Karamoja Bambalidde omwogezi w'eggye ly'eggwanga Felix Kulaije olw'engeri gy'agenze mu maaso okulikamu ensonga z'e Karamoja bw'avaayo n'ayolekanga embeera bwetatiisa nnyo era eggye ly'eggwanga lisobodde okuba nga lijja enganga. Ssentebe w'akabondo k'Ababaka Abava E Karamoja Dr. Remigio Acha agamba nti bino bigenda maaso n'okwogera byoleka nga omwogezi w'eggye bw'atafuna bubaka buli mu mbeera eno.
We have tested peace. We demand for the restoration of security and confidence in Karamoja and all our neighboring districts of Teso, Acholi, Lango, Sebei, Bugisu.
Respond and protect the remaining lives. We'll talk about property later, the cows that have been lost later. But first, let's secure. Let nobody die again. If that one is not possible, please let somebody come out in the same way in which they come out to say the situation is under control. Come out and tell the people of Uganda and the people of Karamoja that we have failed, that it is not possible.
Allow us mobilize the Arrow Boys in Teso, deploy the Arrow Boys and empower them, load as many UPDF soldiers in Karamoja. Just give us 1 month and our lives will go back to normal.
Nze Grace Girinya, Nelia Sajabi, Omunyo.